On today's body cam, we're checking out Wawa employee caught stealing from cash register.
On February 15th, 2026, officers were dispatched to Wawa gas station after suspicions of a cashier stealing from the money till.
Where is she?
Yep.
She's right now. She's in the office alone. We're talking to their regional asset protection to see if they can talk to her about how much it was, get possession out of her.
Okay.
And if she's done with that, then we'll go ahead and take her.
You know what she did?
Money. Yeah, money. I had a large cash variance last time, but I was like, what is going on? And we reviewed camera and very clearly saw her take money, put it in her pocket, take money and walk away with it, and then come back without it. So,
How much?
I don't know for sure she's going to admit to it. We have witnessed her steal. It's kind of hard to see on camera, like, exactly what the dollar bills are, but I was telling him I was short $1,000 in my registers last month, so I'm not gonna say it was all her, but we'll say the majority of it.
What's up, buddy? All right, man.
How we doing? All right. How you doing, sir? Good. How you doing?
She said she's writing her statement right now.
Okay.
She said what would happen next is I would go in and I'll read it out loud so she can hear what she wrote, and then I'll step out and you guys can go.
Okay. So we have dollar amounts and stuff that did she fess up to something?
Yeah, I don't know so far. So.
All right. Okay.
We have misdemeanor felony if it's ongoing. It's felony if it's an ongoing scheme. If it's a scheme, it's an automatic felony no matter how much it is because it's a scheme.
Like just on different days taken?
It's a scheme, yep. Okay. So if it's an ongoing process that she's doing every day, it's an automatic felony. You have the dollar amount. And if it's felony amount anyway, it's felony anyway. It's theft. So we'll see what it is.
Well, perfect, because we know that this isn't the first time that she's done this now. Hopefully they could just figure out, the times that she did it and they can actually catch her on camera, man. If they don't know the exact amount.
You got that dollar amount for us? And
Yeah.
even if she says it was $80 for 4 weeks and, $320 misdemeanor, but it's a scheme for doing something like that.
I got you. Scheme to defraud?
Yep. Scheme to defraud and
Theft, yep. Yeah, two different charges. Yep.
How's everyone's night going?
we're not going to do it out here. We just do it.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna go check on my deli.
All right.
I'm just here for the party.
All places. I'm gonna turn this off. All places there.
Is this gonna be from like start to finish, kind of like an
I'm going to read this to you first, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and would be used against you in a court of law. Okay.
Sorry.
Here's a trash can. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to you to represent you before any questioning if you wish. And not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand these rights as I explained them to you?
Yes.
Okay. Having these rights in mind, are you willing to answer any of our questions now?
Sure.
You kind of want to tell me in your own words what's going on, what's happened, and
just got behind on like so much stuff, and my boyfriend works, but he gets paid twice a month.
Like most Americans, okay, if you're getting paid every 2 weeks, you get paid twice a month, like most people.
And my mom is on Social Security, so like she helps me enough as she can. And I really just was freaking out because my electric was behind. I just got my new car, but because my other cars broke down, I was literally having to get rides here. It's just stupid. Like, honestly, I've never done nothing like this before in my life. Like, I was honestly, like, it's not who I am.
we're not here to judge you. People have all kinds of reasons, and it just happens, unfortunately. So, do you have any idea how much you've taken over the time? Did you talk to them about it, or?
Yeah, I never really counted it, but I never didn't want to take a lot. Like, I didn't want to rob the place like that, I maybe $200. I don't know,
total.
Yeah.
Okay. For how long over a period of time did you take the money?
Not long. I feel like, I don't know, like for sure, but I don't, like it was just started, like I just started doing it.
Okay, just started. How long ago do you think? How many times do you think you took the money?
Like, I feel like 5 or 6 times.
Okay, like once a week or all in 1 week, all in one time?
No, like it was like a spur. Like I took a couple ones one day. I took a rip 20.
Okay.
Like it was maybe like once, like maybe once a week, like or once every other. I don't know. Honestly, I really can't tell you. But
I got you. Do you want to write out a statement for me on my statement and tell me what happened?
yeah.
Once a week, that means you've been doing this for almost 2 months. If you saying that you took some 5-6 times and you only did it once a week, that's damn near 2. That's like a month and a half, close to 2 months, close to 2 months, man. And then you pretty much downplaying it because we could always up it, because if you say a lesser amount, it makes it sound a little bit better, man. But what are you talking about? You got bills. You think this establishment doesn't have bills? The person that owns this, yeah, it's owned by Wawa, but it's owned by a person though. Right? It's just like your local McDonald's. You go to your local McDonald's. Yes, it says McDonald's on there, but it's owned by a person. It's owned by a person. You think that person doesn't have bills? So now you risk your guaranteed paycheck, your check that you getting, every week, every 2 weeks, however this place is set up. Your money that's flowing in, you could count on it. You know what I mean? As long as you working, you could count on it. It's flowing in, right? So you risk that for, in your words, $200. What type of sense does that make? And not only that, you put your record at risk. If you've never done anything like this or been in trouble, now scheme to defraud. You got a felony, man.
Need.
Jail?
You're going to jail today.
No.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Big Shirley waiting on you down there right now. You never been in trouble before? She waiting on you right now. Don't cry. Don't cry. You better get it together. Button it up before you go in there. You better have a stone cold face, man. Don't go in there showing no weakness. You gonna be dog food.
I'm not gonna lie to you. So we'll give you an opportunity if you need to call somebody about your child. If you need to call your mom.
He's with my boyfriend, but
Okay.
right now,
Juliet.
Listen,
I've been with him 16 years and
listen. This was just a mistake that's made. This is. You should meet with the judge in the morning, or you can bail out tonight, depending on. Okay, I will walk you through everything. I promise.
Man, this cop doing everything in his power to keep her calm, man. This was just a mistake that was made. What? Her hand just slipped into the cash register? Like, what the
Okay. In your own words, tell me what you did. I don't need all the apology. I mean, if you want to add it in there, you can, but I don't need all of it. Just basically what you did and what happened.
We don't know the dollar amount yet, but we know it's been.
Yeah, she said, from what she said in her act, she already read a statement for my asset protection and said it was about $80 per week for the last month or so. Mm-hmm. So we can obviously review video and kind of see.
Yeah, probably around between $200 and $400, somewhere around there.
Okay.
But she said on her statement that she wrote for them $80 a week for the last month. So you're looking at $320.
Okay. Was she doing it daily? Was she doing it once a week? Was she?
Once while she was working.
Once a week, she would just come in and just swipe on the register one time?
Yeah.
She did it multiple times?
Multiple times. She took a couple bucks here, 20s here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So make sure to articulate that, because that's what's going to make it a scheme.
Correct.
So the scheme to defraud your company out of their assets is what's going to make it a felony.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, I'll make sure that.
yeah. If she just sort of went in the till one time or twice, it took 80 here, 100 there, it's a different story.
Yeah.
But it is ongoing.
Yeah, and I think it's been multiple.
Because then it could go ongoing for years, and that's where it really piles up. So,
Okay.
what am I saying?
Just tell me in your own words. So, yeah, what happened? You know, how many times you think it was? Over what period of time? You know, how much money you think it was? And at the end, you can, you know, you can put that you feel remorse for and all of that. So.
Is there going to be termination today as well?
Yeah.
Going to be a trespass as well? No. Okay. Okay. But the first part you haven't taken care of yet.
No, I'm here to do it.
Okay. All right. We're going to take care of you guys.
My car's gonna get towed.
Your car's here? No.
My car's not gonna get towed?
No, they're not gonna. No, you can make arrangements. So let's say your bail was $1,000. If you want $100 to get you out of jail tonight. So if you have $100, you'll be able to get out of jail tonight. Okay. Listen, don't think of that way. You know, this is.
It is. You don't even know. It is. Am I able to use the bathroom?
Not right now.
You want to call your boyfriend real quick and let him know so you.
Curtis, I'm going to jail. I'm going to jail. I'm not kidding. I'm going to jail. I had to call you to let you know.
Where you at?
And in the office with the police officers and my boss. Yes.
All right, just tell him you gotta go.
Okay, but I gotta go.
Come over here. She needs to talk to you for a second.
Listen, I'm not mad at you, okay? Me personally, I'm not. And I forgive you and I don't want you to hate yourself. I saw your report. I don't want that for you, right? I just wish you would have asked me because there's nothing I wouldn't have done to help you. We have AIN. I could have helped you, okay? You gotta make better decisions for your baby, you know that, right? But anything you've ever asked of me, I've done for you. But I need you to know that me personally, I forgive you, okay? And I don't judge you. And I'm not holding a grudge against you. I'm not gonna trespass you from here. I'm not in fear of anything with you, right? So let's just take this as a lesson learned. And this is just me doing my job because I have no children, okay? And I'm sorry. I wish it was different. You're literally one of my best workers, and I hate that this is happening.
Yeah. Okay. I don't. Okay. No one cares about this. All right. Anyways, I misspoke. So I wanna speak on what I misspoke about, man. Remember, I went on a little rant earlier and was just like, it's owned by a person, yada yada, right? But I misspoke about Wawa. This happened at a Wawa. Wawa does not offer franchise opportunities. All Wawa convenience stores and gas stations are completely company owned. Okay. What I meant about that earlier was that, it's owned by a person, right? It might be, and then I use McDonald's as an example, McDonald's, Subways. These are owned by people most likely in your city or town. You know what I mean? They just have a lot of money, good credit, dependent. I think Subway is cheap to buy, or Chick-fil-A, I think it's only like 10,000 or something like that. Initially, obviously, you got to have a good amount of money and stuff like that. But, I just want to talk about this real quick. Franchise, like this is the McDonald's website, right? So franchising overview, right? And, it just talks about, all this different type of stuff, whatever. And, profitability depends on factors, including operating, occupancy costs, financial, whatever, right? And stuff. And if you want to inquire about it, right, all you doing is filling out this questionnaire here, and then McDonald's will get back to you, right? So a regular person can buy a McDonald's as long as you have, good credit, a lot of money, because I forget how much McDonald's does cost, but it's definitely up there, okay? But as far as Wawa is concerned, Wawa does not, it's company owned, okay? It's company owned. So yeah, let's go back. We're gonna go back to this, to this crying fest real quick. But I just wanted to speak on that because I did misspeak about actual Wawa, but I'm sure you got the point, right?
Okay. I just
just wanted you to know.
Anything else you need to tell her?
No,
Okay.
that's it.
So listen, yep, just empty your pockets.
Can I smoke a flash?
No, yeah, the vape's got to stay here, unfortunately. So,
We're gonna take our stuff.
yeah, the vape, they won't allow the vape.
You
in the
okay if I
jail,
hit it
will
real quick?
I don't think they will.
No, they won't, yeah, you can take a real hit, but you gotta leave that here because they'll just throw it away at the jail. No, leave it here. Your vape. You want to take your bag?
I just bought it.
No, well, they're not gonna take it from you. I'm just saying the jail will throw it away.
Yeah, you wanna come back and take it? Do you want me to keep it for you?
Yeah, my car's here, so.
Okay.
I told you you're not gonna tow her car.
No, I'm not gonna
so
tow your car.
is there anything?
You wanna leave your keys with me so that your
Yeah.
boyfriend or your mom can take your car?
They'll be in my mailbox.
Obviously you're terminated, right? I went ahead and terminated through the system. You guys can take her out the vendor door. Like if you go out here and just go straight through the side. I don't know if you want to do that. It's
Yeah, my car's right.
a little less. Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
You'll be all right. You'll be all right.
Take it right.
The woman was arrested on charges of scheme to defraud and petty theft. She was transported to the county jail and released after posting $3,500 bond. Share your thoughts below.
Subscribe, let the 808 slide. Crazy as footage on